Every delay costs money. Every miscoordination creates risk. And in Indonesia, port operations are never simple. Unclear regulations, slow response from agents, unexpected cost. You don't need another agent. You need a partner who can solve the problems fast. That is where Balancia comes in. We don't just handle port calls. We take full ownership of your operations. With our fast approach, flexible, action, solution, trusted, we move faster, respond quicker, and deliver real solution on the ground. With coverage across more than 45 ports in Indonesia, we ensure your vessel is supported wherever it goes. Indonesia have more than 45 international ports with 3.25 million square kilometers area. We already there. Loading, discharging, crew change, we handle it. Dry docking, fully coordinated. Underwater cleaning, done efficiently. Cast to master, secured. Husbandry services, fully managed. Everything you need, handled by one reliable partner. Over 1,000 vessel calls handled. More than 150 international clients served regularly. This is not theory. This is execution. As a member of PIMCO and FONASPA, and operating under ISO-certified systems, we deliver services aligned with global standards. When your vessel calls Indonesia, you don't need average. You need speed. You need clarity. You need results. For inquiries, reach out to us at care@balancia.co.id or visit our website at www.balancia.co.id. Let Balancia handle your port operations with precision and reliability. Appoint Balancia, the partner that delivers solutions. Balancia Ship Agency. Just in time.